Welcome, come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creation channel. I make wreaths for holidays. I just wanted to share a simple wreath with some sunflowers. I get these sunflowers from a garden and I just put some mesh on them, and put glitter on. Like, I don't know if you can see the bling, but it looks so beautiful. I thought I would share it with you guys. And the other little ones, you just dry. I was going to put mesh on here too, but maybe next time. So we are working with those, and I got some of these from Joann's. And we got another greenery. We also got some fall leaves. Okay, I got this big sunflower, which I already just pinned in. Keep some of the stem, okay? With that said, let's get started. This is going to be a simple one. I'll just be creative and use imagination, Yeah. Woo. There. I'm going to get these lovelies. Let's put these on in. This is going to be just a quick, fast one. Thought I would share with you guys. See those? I said, I am going to put these in my video. But that might be right here. Look at how beautiful those look. Mix them with those. There you go. Then we're going to get these ribbon little leaves on, some fall leaves. Look at how simple and gorgeous. Oh, this fella. Keep those for another video. And how beautiful is that, everybody? Just be creative and use some things you could find in your garden and just put together. But that said, once again, thank you guys for viewing my channel and to the subscribers. And just got any inspiration or ideas, press like and have a fun fall and festival this fall. Until then, see ya. Thanks again. Remember to step back and visualize. Beautiful. Thank you. See ya.